Hey there! In this Lambda test tutorial, you will learn how to test your locally or privately hosted website using Underpass. Underpass is a secure desktop application by Lambda Test that enables you to test your locally or privately hosted web applications. It does so by automatically instantiating a Lambda tunnel for you, without you having the need to open it through the command line. To know more about Lambda tunnel, refer to the video suggested on your screen. Make sure you have the Underpass app downloaded on your system. If not, you can easily download it. Just log in into your Lambda Test account and click on Configure Tunnel. Navigate to the Desktop App tab and click on Download. Now you need to launch it. You can do that from your local system or directly from your Lambda Test dashboard. To do so, go to Configure Tunnel once again and switch the tab to Desktop App. Click on the Launch App button and that's it. Underpass will open right up. Make sure you have allowed access for Underpass through your firewall in order to launch it successfully. In the Underpass app, you need to enter your Lambda Test credentials to establish a secure tunnel from your local system to the Lambda Test platform. You can either copy-paste them from your profile section or use our Magic Link feature. It will securely replicate your username and access key directly on the Underpass app in a single click. You can even change the default tunnel name by simply clicking here and choosing the name of your liking. Now that you've configured Underpass to your requirements, you can launch it just by a click. There you go. A clean and hassle-free tunnel to our cloud platform has been set up on your system. You will also notice that your dashboard reflects the same tunnel name that you chose earlier. Now that we are connected via Underpass, let's run a quick test to check and see how it works. Though you can use Underpass functionality in all our different feature sets, such as in real-time testing, screenshot testing, automation testing, etc., to give you a better idea, here is an example of how you can use this integration in real-time testing. Go to real-time testing from the left menu. You can see the tunnel is active and selected right now. Just enter the local URL under test, select the desired device, browser, OS, and resolution combination and click on Start. A real machine will be launched with your selected configuration and entered URL in no time. You can now perform live interaction testing of your locally hosted website using real-time testing. To know more about real-time testing in detail, refer to the video suggested on your screen. Underpass has a built-in terminal to reflect the Lambda tunnel logs directly from your command line. Just click on View Logs and there you go. Fun fact, these logs have been color-coded to help you identify different updates. Cool, right? Lambda Test's Underpass also allows you to create a secure tunnel with some advanced features. To do so, you need to click on Show Advanced Configuration button and an entire list of settings will pop up. Here, you can add a proxy host, proxy port, proxy user, and proxy password for a remote server, your office network, or even for your local machine. If you want to bypass a particular proxy server, you just need to enter a list of hosts right here. No proxy hosts separated by commas. Similarly, you can also add a list of DNS servers separated by commas. Next, you can specify the type of test environment, whether you're running your tests on stage, pre-prod or on-prod. Underpass also allows you to access a local folder or directory on your computer. All you need to do is to paste the address of the folder under Local File Server directory, and you will find the files located under the specified path once you launch Underpass. Now, as the name suggests, Info API port shows the tunnel API server based on the specified port. Next, you can also specify any hosts you want to bypass from the tunnel. The log file path exposes the tunnel log file location, which you can change by clicking this button. Lastly, you can also choose the mode of connection. Underpass, by default, auto-detects the connection mode, but you can change it manually as per your choice, like SSH 22, which creates a tunnel using SSH protocol and port 22 as the destination port. Similarly, other modes like SSH 443, SSH WSS, etc. Want to share the tunnel with your teammate? Just click on the toggle. You can even view the detailed logs by toggling the verbose button. Remember that this would be on off by default, so you will need to turn it on before launching Underpass manually. The MITM or Man in the Middle toggle enables you to test websites using self-signed certificates on your local system or internal network. This will help you avoid seeing errors while testing such websites. Ingress-only toggle allows you to route the incoming traffic or any other inbound requests via the specified proxy. On the other hand, egress only allows outbound traffic or requests. You can choose to turn on either or none based on your requirement. Once you're done with your tests, you can simply click on Stop and your tunnel will be disconnected. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. We also have a step-by-step guide in place to help you set up Underpass. You can find its link in the description below. If you face any challenges, feel free to reach out to us via our chat support or drop us a mail at support@lambdatest.com. There are so many more exciting videos coming, so don't forget to click on the subscribe button right here to get a notification for our next video. Happy testing!